English Speaking Series Day 11. Talk about your life in English. Speak English confidently. Stop. Can you describe your daily life in English without translating? Let's see how confidently you can speak. Powerful vocabulary: wake up, work, study, exercise, relax, cook, travel, meet, enjoy, practice, sleep. Real life conversation. Person A: what do you usually do during the day? Person B: I usually wake up early and start my day with a cup of tea. Repeat after me. I usually wake up early. I start my day with a healthy breakfast. I go to work every morning. I practice English every day. I spend time with my family. I relax in the evening. I always try to learn something new. I go to bed at around 10 p.m. 30-second confident challenge. Speak about your daily life for 30 seconds without stopping or reading. Homework: record yourself speaking about your daily life for 2 minutes and listen to your recording. And don't just learn English, use English. See you in day 12. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.